I am Safwan Suhairi. I'm going to present my special paper. I'm choosing real-time object detection and tracking using deep learning and OpenCV article. So from this article, I get to know a system called ULU to perform object detection. So I'm going to show you how we are getting object detection from ULU. So first, let's say I have this kind of picture, sunway.jpg. I will copy this image and paste on the directory that have YOLO system. So I'm going to paste here. So in order to run our YOLO system, we need to open our command prompt. In our command prompt, we need to change the directory to our YOLO system. We can do it like this, copy the directory and the command. So now we are in YOLO system directory. In order to get object detection from image that I have copied earlier, so we are going to run this command py yolo.py image path and the name of the file sunway.jpg. And let's wait for a while. Okay, this is the result that we are getting from the image. So from here we can see they can detect person, a motorbike, a car, and even tiny people. They also can scan over here. This one is suitcase or probably a bag, grip cover bag. And this is traffic light. It's not clear, but we can see this traffic light. So for the next part, we can do for video too. The command is like this. Low.py dash video dash path and the name of the video. So for example, beach.mp4. This one. Since for the video it might take a longer time to process the detection, so I have already done earlier. So this is the output for the beach video. Okay, let's open first. So this is, we can get object detection from the video too. So I'm going to stop here. Okay, I'm going to stop here. So we can see from the video we can get the detection of the person, a car, the truck, and let me show you another one. Okay. They can also detect a tire and even the monitor can be detected using this YOLO object detection system. So that's all for my special paper. Thank you.